sorry to shoot Tips and Pairs and Hobbies, and I just got a new pellet rifle, a Beeman R9. It's like the Van Nock HW95, and here it is right here. This is the stock, the butt end, with a gum rubber pad and a black spacer. It's got some good checkering on it. You can feel the checkering. And I tightened up the trigger guard with the Rekord trigger right here. I haven't adjusted this yet. And here's the barrel. Kind of hard to do this on camera. And right here is the wedge block. And you can tighten that up over time if it gets loose. This is a 22 caliber pellet. Excuse me. And on the other side it says Beeman R9. I don't know if you can see that. Beeman R9. And it's got a safety warning on this side, which is kind of, you know, crappy, but it's got a nice 11mm deep groove in the top. And I like the R9. It's what I wanted. Beeman started all these brake barrels, and he imported them into the U.S., and that's how we got to using spring piston guns. So my buddy there, Chuck, said, well, I'll do a video, you know. So it's nice, and it's got a nice weight to it, but it's not real super heavy, you know. And it breaks like that. I'm not going to cock it, but it's a good sturdy gun, well built. It's got the safety here on this side. Once you cock it, this safety pops to this side, and you pop it back to take a shot. So that's the R9. It took me 63 years to buy a brake barrel. I do have underlevers. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you have any questions about this, let me know. Or just ask Chuck on spring piston fever. He'll let you know all the particulars of it, I'm sure. Bye for now.